The best bath toy organizer. Bath time needs to be fun for your toddler. However, when your child carries lots of rubber duckies and other toys into the bathroom, cleaning them can be quite a task. To avoid that from happening, you should bring home the best bath toy organizer. Sometimes, you may be in a rush to tidy up the washroom. So, instead of struggling with wet toys lying around, invest in a good bath toy storage rack or bag to ensure the toys are in place and organized. You can choose these cute little utilities from the list below. The options listed here are easy to clean and can hold toys properly, hence keeping them hygienic. So, keep watching and choose the one that would fit into your bathroom effortlessly. Number 1. Best Double-Stitched Tub Cubby Bath Toy Organizer. Your kids will enjoy organizing their bath toys with the Tub Cubby Bath Toy Organizer. It is best suited to store bath toys in its multi-pocket sections and comes with phone letters and numbers. Apart from the bathroom, it can be used as a great bath toy storage solution to organize different toys, even in the bedroom or living room. Unlike the usual bath toy bins, this makes one of the most unique bath toy storage options that is made with a double-stitched quick-dry, mold-resistant net that is safe, soft, BPA-free, and non-toxic. It is suitable for kids above 3 years of age. Pros: CPSIA certified. 2 large pouches. Includes hooks for textured and smooth surfaces. Rubber duck included. Easy to clean. Cons: suction may not be as strong. The stickiness of the hook may not last long. Number 2. Best for large volume of toys. Ski Hop Moby Scoop and Splash Bath Toy Organizer. Designed with creativity and skill, the Ski Hop Moby Scoop and Splash Bath Toy Organizer is a colorful addition to your bathroom decor. The bath toy holder is made with a strong mesh lining and has a zip at the bottom that can be unzipped to release the toys right into the tub. After bath time, the toys can be scooped right out of the water, stored in this organizer, and hung up to drain the water out, making it a great bath time storage solution. This scoop toy organizer comes with a built-in grip handle and makes a handy storage option for a large volume of toys. Pros: convenient opening for scooping toys. Available in different colors. Phthalate-free, bright and attractive colors. Easy to drain. Cons: suction compatible only with tiles or glass. May not withstand the heavy weight of toys. Number 3. Best Attractive Design. Boon Frog Pod Bath Toy Storage Scoop. Sure to attract kids and make them love it, the Boon Frog Pod Bath Toy Storage Scoop is just what you need to store your kids' essential toys and bath accessories. This bath toy organizer includes an extra large scoop that allows you to store a lot of stuff and is removable for easy cleaning. The shower caddy storage organizer is made with a base that can be mounted to a bathtub wall with its adhesive strips. It is designed in a way that reduces mold and mildew buildup on toys. Pros: smooth-edged handle. Frog legs double as hangers for a scrub. Has holes for airflow and water drain. Easy to install. Cons: available only in a single color. The adhesive may not last long. Number 4. Best Machine Washable. JOJOOKIDS Bath Toy Organizer. Include fun learning time during bath time with the JOJOOKIDS Bath Toy Organizer that comes with form numbers. It's made with superior quality materials that are mold-free and machine washable. The bath toy organizer contains 4 strong suction cups and 4 extra adhesive hooks to ensure that your kids' toys will not fall down from the storage organizer. The high-quality materials are BPA-free, and the bathtub toys come with 2 sets of organizer bags along with an e-book. Pros: CPSIA approved, quick dry enabled, non-toxic, breathable, phthalate-free. Cons: suction cups may not work for textured walls, may not withstand heavy-weighted toys. Number 5. Best Strong Adhesive. Cheraboo Henrietta Hippo Bath Toy Organizer. The Cheraboo Henrietta Hippo Bath Toy Organizer is one of the best bath toy organizers that encourages your kids to put away the toys so you can enjoy an organized bathroom. It holds onto the wall or bath tiles of your bathroom with its heavy-duty suction cups. The bath toy holder has isothermic hooked suction cups is recognized as one of the best in the market and gives an ultra-strong adhesive hold. To get the best results, ensure that the shower caddy organizer is fixed to a non-porous flat surface. Pros: made of synthetic rubber, works well even for ceramic tiles, available in 2 colors, attractive design with bright colors. Cons: the rear side of the Hippo may attract mold. Material may not be suitable to store sharp-edged toys. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.